Good afternoon, LC people. Well, the white one was on here yesterday, and you might recall about this M1. It belongs to Steve. So I finally got around to putting it back on the bench. First job was to rebuild the rear shock. Powder coated spring there. Basically, I painted the rest of it. It was reassembled the rear end, obviously, back wheel. It had a send stand on it, but it didn't look very shiny, so that was redone. Side stand, little grab rail there, seat catches. Still scratching for parts. I don't know where the rear master cylinder went or the brake caliper. I'll have to find them. So what else has Dave done? That's now the correct top yoke. It wasn't the right yoke on it before, it was F2. So the right yoke's on it. All this stuff's been powder coated. I've rebuilt the switch gear. I've zeroed the clock. I've changed that because there was a dent up here. I've swapped that out for another one. The glasses have been off them and cleaned out because it was a bit cobwebby and a bit dirty and grimy. That's been rebuilt, the master cylinder. I've rebuilt the brake calipers because they was powder coated. Obviously, I put front mud guard on, headlight bucket, ignition switch, front indicators, blah de blah. Normally I start from the back to the front, but I just felt like a change. I thought, you know what, no. I think he'll be happy about it. I've got his badge on there. I think it's a matching numbers UK N1 this bike. Not quite sure what he's doing with it. I think he's in two minds. You never know, it might be for sale. You know what Steve's like. I'll do some more on it tomorrow. Obviously got all the plastics to clean and go through the bits and pieces. The engine's away at our Engine Whisperers that Steve uses, so I don't know when that'll come back. But yeah, I've got enough to keep me occupied, I think, for tomorrow. And that'll finish Dave's week off. I've got this one to do. And basically, I'm on top. I'm trying to scale it down, as I probably said before, in the next couple of weeks. I don't want to be up here every day like I have been. It's just, I've got projects on myself that I want to do. As you probably know, the MT with my mate Rog, when he comes back from Spain, we'll be having a look at that. But this one, I've got to pull the head and barrels off of it, the engine cases, the brake calipers. The stand wants sorting because it's fugly. It's got a big hole in the back where the rubber goes that bangs on the exhaust. It doesn't sit well either, so that send stand wants attention. There's a few bits and bobs to tidy it to make you look a tidy bike, which is what the guy wanted. But that'll be next week. I'll look at that. And I'll get back onto his to-do list. And I think what I'll do is I might have a break from it then for a little bit. For a few weeks. Play with some stuff for myself. But yeah, keep watching about this tomorrow anyway. And I'll show you a bit more progress. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.